Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Long time no see, but yeah, there's no real reason for that. But today I recorded a hair tutorial on these buns, these two buns, and it's pretty simple. So all I suggest is for doing this style is to do it to your liking, because you'll see that I had to redo this bun because, you know, they're not supposed to be identical, but you want them to kind of look a little bit alike. You want them to look familiar. So, you know, just do it to your liking. And then for this tutorial, you just need, I would suggest getting two different type of brushes. One, a harder bristle brush to get out the kinks of your hair, depending on how kinky it is. And then a softer wave brush just to smooth everything over. And then either a wide tooth comb or a wig brush to detangle your hair. Because I do this style on week-old hair. I'm not the type of person that do this type of style on freshly washed curly hair, because you know you want to wear your curls. So I do when they kind of dusty pretty much. And then you need either a rat tail comb or just a comb period, because I couldn't find mine, so I just used whatever comb I had. And then my part, look, my part is crooked as I don't know what. It was good when I first did it, but then as I started doing the buns, I don't know, hair started coming from this side, that side, so then it kind of got crooked, but whatever. And then I used 3 different type of gels. So I used Eco Styler, this stuff. This is just something random my aunt picked up from the beauty supply store. I really just use it when I'm doing my ponytails and buns to have that slick look. And it smells good too, so that's a bonus. And then for my edges, I used the Style Factor Edge Booster. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Those are all the items you'll need for this tutorial. And yeah, keep watching so you can get this look. So right here, what we're doing is just detangling the hair. I try to start from the bottom, then work my way up to the top, but then you'll see sometimes I get frustrated with my hair and just start brushing all over until I realize it's still super tangled. So then I start from the bottom, work my way up, and that's pretty much, I do all over my head. And excuse these spaces I'll be making throughout, because yeah, it gets pretty intense. So right here, I'm parting my hair. I'm doing it right down the middle. I'm trying to make it pretty perfect, even though it didn't turn out perfect. But, you know, it doesn't hurt to try. And it was extremely difficult just because an incident happened with my hair. So if you guys see this short piece that keeps sticking up towards the back middle of my head, it's from an incident that happened that, you know, we could discuss later. But that's why I was trying to perfect the part, because some of that hair be overlapping. So yeah. excuse my faces in these clips, but once you're done parting, you just want to run your brush through your hair one last time to make sure you got all the kinks out. So now you just want to separate your hair by each section so it's easier for you to work on. Okay, so now you're going to brush your hair every which way, starting out with the more harder bristle brush so you can get all the kinks out because you want it to be smooth. And then you're going to put the ponytail high up, and then you're going to get the Eco Styler and put it all over. Put as ever much as you need, and then you're going to brush it some more. And then you're going to grab the second product, the waxing stuff, and you're going to put that on your head. And then you're going to grab the softer wave brush so that could have the more smooth, shiny look. And then you're going to put it in the ponytail. So now that you have both sides done, you're just going to tighten your ponytail so they're as tight as you would like them to be. And then what I do is, because my hair gets really oily when it is older, I just kind of tease more towards the root because I like my buns to be big and voluminous and, you know, just extra. So I tease it, and then the trick is to twist only the bottom. I don't twist all the way up because I don't want mine's little. So I just twist only the bottom. And then as you wrap it around, it gets bigger, but as it gets bigger, keep the bottom twisted. So you'll see. So I realized I wasn't feeling that first bun, which is why I showed the second one, because the second one was more my taste. So I redid it, teased it again, and then twisted only the bottom and then wrapped it around. Sometimes you're going to have to redo it just so they can look, because you don't want them to look too opposite. they're supposed to look a little bit alike, like I said earlier. So now at this point, the buns are pretty much done. So now you're just getting some bobby pins to secure them in place, because when you're moving around, you don't want your buns to be bobbling. So you bobby pin them secure. And then after that bobby pin secure, we're going to do our edges, because of course that's the finishing touch. LOL. Okay, I guess, this is like my holy grail. Edge control, the style booster. It's the truth. But anyways, so you're gonna just do your edges, and I'm just like pulling them out. Well, not pulling them out, but like really like brushing them out with the toothbrush, because when I was doing the buns, the ponytails for the buns, I was brushing everything straight up. So you just gently brush them down, so you can style them. And you style them however you would like. And I don't do mine that extra. I gotta be in the mood for it. But yeah. So when I'm done with my edges, I take my edge toothbrush and I just brush any flyaway hairs on the front, top, bottom of my head, and just to make sure it's cute and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.